Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So at the base of the street, there's a grisly murder that occurred in this location. And this is called Areia Preta. Now, I think this is a school right here, but there's this kind of cool guy right here. There's a lot of people, a lot of activity, a lot of interesting streets. Okay, this is Areia Preta Avenue, so let me kind of give you a little context of it. We're going to be walking directly down this street, and before we go down, we're kind of in this little space that converges on several different places, several different streets. That direction is towards the border. Check out those apartments. I don't know if you can see it, but they have like little diamond, little octagon shapes. Then all of these are kind of uniquely up in this area as well. Arco Road is down that way. That goes towards Qingmao border gate. And we're gonna go down and follow this street. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're going to be going down this elevator right here. Give you some other ideas of some of the other streets down this way. It's kind of interesting, I think. So Areia Preta is going to be our target street right down that way. We got Victoria Hotel right here, this pink building. Front desk is right there even. It looks like we're gonna have to go down like this. Oh, this is cool. This is good. So now you get the window view of Victoria Hotel. Looks like the restaurant. So we're gonna be walking down that street the other way. So at the base of the street, there's a grisly murder that occurred in this location. And I guess we'll start out our street talking about that real quick. That was in here. So our target street is going to be down this way, down that way. But before we begin, we'll just highlight this real quick. There's a pretty grisly murder that occurred in this area. Involved gambling debts. Monghas in the background. Pretty cool little space though. So that's Victoria Hotel. So what happened in that story was a gambling situation. One person had a kitchen at a restaurant. They're playing Mongjang. They're playing just playing a Chinese game in there. So two people had a restaurant. One person had a restaurant and they had a family of six kids. And that owner of that restaurant was involved with gambling. And he lost a lot of money. And he couldn't repay for his debt. Here's our target street, by the way. Estrada de Preta. I'll tell you more of the story in a second. Kind of loud. Okay. So now we got a better picture for you guys. Okay, so what happened in that story was we kind of tell you more about this area real quick. So right in there, there's a bunch of neighborhoods in that direction. I can't get a good view of it. I think those neighborhoods are called Barrio. There's a bunch of streets over here with all the same name. I'm going to tell you that story in a second as well. We're still kind of in that little Victoria space. We'll try to get across here. Busy right now. Okay, so let me finish that story. So all these little alleys everywhere. It's hard to tell a story when there's a lot of stuff to share about. Cyber station. Okay. More side streets. When I get a chance, I'll finish the story. Let me just kind of navigate the crowd a little bit. So yeah, this isn't too far from the border. Called Areia Preta. Okay. I'll continue the story in a second here. These are these little Mongha streets. Mongha is behind us. And this is called Areia Preta. Now, I think this is a school right here, but there's this kind of cool guy right here. So I don't know the name of this. Kind of interesting. Restaurant. Okay, I'm going to try to tell you that story. Just a lot of people, a lot of activity, a lot of interesting streets. Estrada and Preta. Okay, so let me share that story. Here's Lavish Pizza. This pizza chain is also in Taipa as well. There's Mongha at the back of Mongha right back there. Okay, so let me tell the story.
Interesting, right?
Yeah.
Interesting, right?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
United States.
United States.
Yeah.
Okay, first time here?
Many times.
Many times. Okay.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, YouTube channel. Okay,
And
you're YouTube guy.
Yeah.
YouTube guy.
And I film here all the time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, no, okay.
2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.